Hi, it's Teresa from Anjurisa. Today we are going to sew a super cute and useful little accessory, a zipper pouch with a snap button pocket on the front. I call it the RECA Pouch. What's fun about this project is that it's designed as a keychain or keyring, so you can hang it on your bag. It's not just pretty, but also handy for storing coins, earphones, or small essentials. This is a great beginner project. So, let's get started. Let's talk about the fabric first. For the outer fabric, I like to use something a bit heavyweight. This gives our pouch a nice shape and makes it more durable. If you're choosing prints, I personally love cotton because there are so many beautiful designs to choose from. For the lining, I recommend cotton too. It's easy to sew, and you can find lovely patterns that match or contrast with your outer fabric. Here's what you will need: outer fabric, lining fabric, a zipper. And for the keychain part, you can choose either a swivel hook or a keyring, whichever suits your style best. Optional materials are snap buttons for the pocket, and if you like, a small label to add that extra handmade touch. Let's start with the pocket. Take your pocket fabric and fold it in half, with the right sides facing out. Give it a good press with your iron. Next, we are going to top stitch along the folded edge. This gives it a nice finished look. If you want to add a label, now's a good time. Just sew it on the pocket fabric. Be careful not to catch the back layer of the pocket. Now take one of your outer fabric pieces. Place the pocket on top and sew around the sides and bottom to secure it. Of course, leave the top open so it works as a pocket. If you want to add a snap button, mark the center of the pocket. Don't worry, even if you skip the snap button, the pocket is still very useful. My snap button has a sharp back, so I can just pierce it through the fabric without needing a needle or special tool. Attach the snap on your mark. Then use pliers to secure it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, the full RECA Pouch PDF pattern is now available in my Etsy, with 3 sizes, printable pieces, and step-by-step instructions. You'll find a link in the description. Double check that the snap works smoothly. Now for the little tab that will hold our keychain. Take your small fabric strip. Fold both long sides toward the center, and sew along the edges. If you're using a swivel hook, slide it onto the tab now. Place the tab at the center top of your outer fabric piece and sew it down to secure. If you're using a keyring like this, we'll attach it at the end after we finish the pouch. Now get the rest of your fabric pieces and zipper. Mark the centers of your lining, outer fabric, and zipper so everything lines up nicely. Let's install the zipper. Lay your lining right side up. Place the zipper right side up on top with the zipper pull on the right. Match the center marks and clip everything in place. Don't forget to fold the end of the zipper tape to the back. This makes it look neat. Then place your outer fabric wrong side up on top. Sew all layers together. Switch to a zipper foot to sew the zipper easier. Flip everything so the fabric is right side out. Then repeat for the other side. Lining right side up. Zipper right side up. Outer fabric wrong side up. Remember to fold the zipper tape to the back. Sew all layers together. Turn the fabric so the right side is facing out. Top stitch along the zipper edges for a nice finish. Almost done. Open your zipper halfway. This is important so you can turn it right side out later. Bring the outer fabrics right sides together and the lining fabrics right sides together. Line up the sides of the zipper carefully. If you want to add an inner label, slide it between the lining layers before you sew it. Use some extra fabric clips to hold the layers neatly. Sew all the way around the pouch, but leave a small gap in the lining so we can turn it out. Trim the corners so they're nice and sharp when we turn the pouch right side out. Gently turn everything through the gap. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to take the next step, I've put together beginner-friendly sewing patterns on Etsy to help you create with confidence. Click the link below and let's sew together. Now close that gap. You can sew close to the edge or use invisible stitch if you prefer. I'll change to my regular presser foot for this one. Tuck the lining inside. If you choose a keyring instead of a swivel hook, now's the time to attach it. That's it! Your cute little zipper pouch with a snap pocket is ready to hang on your back. I hope you enjoy making the RECA pouch. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work and see more beginner-friendly sewing projects. Thanks for sewing with me today. See you in the next video and as always, happy crafting!